Hey guys, JD here, and this fabric shaver does a really great job. I got this product to review, and it can be used for both clothing, furniture, anything that's kind of like balling up or just needs a little bit of repair. On the front here is where the blade is. So if you just turn this, you'll see that this will open right up and the blade can just come right off. It does come with one additional attachment that you can go ahead and put on there, one additional blade in case these get dull, and then you can just put this back on. On the back side, this is where all the lint will go, and you can just go ahead and pop this right off and the lint will end up right in this little trap. Now, there are 3 different speeds that are on here, and there is a lock mode, so that way if you are traveling or flying with this, you can go ahead and put it in the lock mode and it will stay right on there. You'll see on here 3 lines that go down in sequence. Once those go down, you'll see that this will flash, and that means it's locked. This is not going to go off no matter what. So now to turn off the lock mode, you're just going to hold down this button. You'll see the 3 lines pop back up, and it will turn back on. This is powered by a USB-C, and you can go ahead and charge it in any power source that you would like. And when you do use it on fabric, you do want to make sure, test it on an area to make sure it's not going to cause any damage. I've been using it on the furniture because we have a couple of cats and they like to tear up our furniture. The high setting, you can see that there's 94% left. And then like magic, it's almost as good as new. Looking for something to help to fix any furniture, to de-lint any clothing that you may have, this does a really great job. And once again, on this side, this is where you can see all the lint that came off. So I can probably even take this out and this would do an even better job. So I would definitely recommend this. It's a great tool. Check it out.